guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara, and I'm here back with another video as always, and you know, whatever. And for today's video, it's just gonna be a chill day. I don't feel like doing much. It's gonna be a short video, hopefully, because every time I say it's gonna be short, it's like hello long. So it's gonna be a short video, and you know, I'm gonna take y'all on a ride with me a little bit, and then, you know, do a little shopping. Just the smallest things, you know. Oh, and I got that spicy noodles. So I'm gonna be doing the spicy noodle challenge on one day by myself, and then I'm gonna have my boyfriend do the other one with me. So with that being said, I hope that it don't burn my mouth too much or burn my throat or burn anything else that's out of the ordinary, because I don't think that'd be right. But anyway, you guys, so I'll be doing this video today. Tomorrow's video, I won't be doing a video because I have to work. But Sunday, I will. And what else? And all the days that I'll be off is when I'll do a video. And I already have a plan. I just need to, you know, do a whole bunch of extra stuff to make it look fun and exciting and da 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 da. So yeah, with that. And like I said, today's just gonna be a chill day. I'm not doing nothing, just, you know, driving, going to the store, gotta get what I gotta get, and doing that extra. So that's what I'll be doing. And so yeah, you guys, so just hang tight, bear with me. And I'm still trying to get to at least 100 subscribers by the time my birthday. I did say by the time my anniversary, but I don't think that's going to happen. So by the time August 11th hit, let's hit 100 subscribers. I know we could do it. I know we could do it. I know we could do it. I know y'all could do it. Subscribe to my channel. Follow, like, comment down below. Give me some ideas on what y'all would like me to do or try, or any challenges or whatnot. And you comment down below. And yeah, catch y'all guys in a few minutes. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara, and I'm here back with another video. And for today's video, I said it was going to be short, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So before we start, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below and hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload a video. So let's get it started. Okay, so for today's video, I thought about let's me try different Pringles, because I love my Pringles. So today's video is just gonna be little Pringles trying Pringles, something like that. So trying Pringles. So I'm gonna be trying 5 different Pringles. So the first Pringles I got wavy, sweet, and spicy barbecue, because I love barbecue. Then I get scorching cheddar. Be trying these. Oh, and then, you know, sour cream and onion. And then I'm gonna try these ranch ones. I don't know how good that's gonna taste. That's the only thing. So I'm gonna be trying that, and then I'm gonna be trying scorching a barbecue flavor. So I need to know which one I want to try. So I'm going to be trying the barbecue ones. Oh, snap. Okay. If I can get it. Oh my. I'm going to have blowing it like it's hot. Yes, it's good. It's not even hot. It's not even hot. Let's try this cheddar one. Pringles cheddar. Yeah, I wish I could play some music. This is what it looks like. This is the scorching cheddar ones. Ooh. It's not bad, but it's hot. Ooh, that's pretty hot. Like it burns the sides of your tongue. What is up with this? I used to put it up like that. Anyway, let me try the ranch. I like to find some people I need to collab with to make this more fun. Because doing this by myself ain't fun. Can't play no music. Can't do nothing. But then sit in front of the camera and talk. And just talk. And talk. And talk. Oh, I just hit my nose. Stop it. Go copy some. I picked out some good ones. I picked out some good ones. Oh, that one's the sweet and spicy one. I was like, did I get two of the same barbecue? That's good. This is good. Y'all let me know in the comments below which one y'all tried. And which one is good. Which one? Let me know in the comments of which Pringles y'all tried before. And which one is better. Because so far, I think it's a ranch that tastes better. In my opinion. Alright, so now we're doing the wavy sweet and spicy barbecue. I love my barbecue now. Okay. Smell good. Let's see what it tastes like. This right here, this is good. This is really good. Alright, so I'm stuck between these two. These two are by far the best ones out of this one and this one. I like these two better. Oh, hold on. I like these two better. But like I said, if you're watching this video, comment down below on which Pringles y'all like the most. Or if there's some new Pringles that I haven't tried yet before, you know, let me know in the comments. But these two, everything in the booth. And then the also favorite is the sour cream. Y'all, I already had this. This is by far my most favorite ones. So, yeah, I already know what this tastes like. I don't know sour cream. Oh, yeah. Yeah. guys. Let me know which one of y'all favorites. Mine is these three. These are my favorites right now. Yes, these are my favorite. And I love it. I might give the other two to my boyfriend, but I might have him try it too. But yes. And tomorrow, I don't know if I already said this before, but tomorrow, no, Sunday, probably Sunday. It's one of them. I'm gonna be trying these spicy Korean noodles or spicy noodles. I'm gonna try the spicy noodle challenge. And you know, I'm not much of a spicy kind of person. I don't like a lot of spice, but I'm gonna try it anyway. And like I said, I am trying my best to make this exciting. I'm gonna try to find some people that want to, you know, be on my YouTube channel, do some challenges, make this fun, and you know whatnot, because we can't play music or to get copyrighted. Like, we need music. We need music. Let it just have some like little instrumental music where it doesn't have any song. Whatever. Anyway, guys, have y'all seen my hair? Wait, I think you already seen it. Did you already see it? Yeah, y'all already see it. And like I said, make sure y'all look up Braids by Neek on Instagram. She did my hair because she always do a fabulous job. Yes. Look at that, look. Let me stop. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, it's gonna be short. Hopefully, y'all didn't get bored with it. You know? And I'll probably have this up today. Hopefully, today. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch y'all guys next time. And by the next time I catch y'all, I will be doing the spicy noodle challenge. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be fun. I don't know. Like I said, it'll be fun, hopefully. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment down below. And like I said, comment down below if you have tried any one of these Pringles. And if you have any new Pringles that I can, you know, get and buy and try. Because I love Pringles. I have to say I like Pringles better than I like, you know, chips. But they're all chips. That's the thing. They're all chips. But anyway, like I said, comment down below. Let me know what y'all want me to do. Any challenges. I might do a couple other things. But subscribe. Let's hit to 100 subscribers by August if we can. Or maybe even more. Maybe even more. But it's up to you guys. But you stick with me, I stick with you. You follow me, you subscribe to my channel. I'll subscribe to, how about this? If you subscribe to my channel, I will pick 5 different other people and I will subscribe to your channel. I know I'm not no big YouTube, you know, famous person yet, but we're going to get there and we're going to get there together. So, with that being said, go ahead and like. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. It's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, honey. It's not that hard. You can do it. If I could do it, you could do it too. Boom. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch y'all guys next time. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Peace, guys.